Humans are good at measuring straight distances, but they have difficulty with curves. It may have something to do with light traveling in straight lines, or indeed most of our measuring instruments use linear measurements. What I have here is a cylinder. It's a cylinder of tennis balls. And the question I would ask my students is, which is longer? The height of the tube or going around the circumference of the tube? Well, some of them may be divided. Visually, it looks like this distance is much longer than this distance. But what we will do is we will measure. So, to measure the circumference and the height, I have a piece of rope that I'm going to place around the cylinder. So hopefully you can see that that is a fair representation of the circumference of this tube. That distance there. If we place it down beside, you can see that the circumference is indeed greater than the height of the tube. Now let's deal with that mathematically. Let's say that each ball has a radius r. So that's from the center to the outer edge of each ball. So this height would be 1r. The diameter would be 2r for that one ball. For 2 balls, it would be 4 times the radius. And for the 3 balls, 6 times the radius. Please remember that figure, 6 times the radius. Now, if we think about the circumference, the mathematical formula for the circumference is 2 times pi r. If pi is 3.14, twice that is 6.28 times the radius. So we have proved mathematically that if we have 3 balls in a tube, the tube will indeed be taller. Now, if you don't go the mathematical route, we have an easy way of showing it as well. That going around the circumference, it is not possible with my fingers to go right around, but it is possible with my fingers to show the height.